Guys, last class what we are going to discuss.
Hey, good morning, sir.
Very good.
So last class we discussed about set interface, set, and the different ways to create set.
Yeah.
That's it.
So guys, visible my screen. Visible, right?
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Okay. So list implementation class has done, and set interface implementation class also asset is completed. Right, guys?
Yes, sir.
So tell me, guys, what is a asset when we can go, and what is the difference between asset and what array list?
The has set allows null value.
Okay.
Has set is the best approach for search operation,
Okay.
and it contains only unique elements.
Okay.
And the set interface allows homogeneous objects, and duplicate elements are not allowed in set interface.
I'm asking to the
So if
asset.
you,
Asset. Asset. List interface is that there is some limitation is there, and implementation class also some limitation is there, right?
The HashSet is the child class of set interface, sir. And the HashSet store the data in the form of hash table, sir. And data structure also hash table, sir. Yeah. And if there is duplicate data is not allowed inside the HashSet.
Okay.
Just where you are
Okay. What is the initial capacity for that asset?
16, sir.
16. What is the field ratio of that asset?
0.75, sir.
75%.
Okay. Okay. So where I gain the so guys, can we go through that today that linked list? So we already completed the hash set, guys. So hash set there is a new capacity. It is that I think this is that array list. So load factor of that array list I'm given here. Okay. So guys, give me 1 minute. I'm changing to the code.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So guys, someone asking to me that how it is going to double what array size is increased. Someone asking, right? Yeah. So guys, how it is going to increase that array size is means what is you people can check here, guys. That the load factor of that array list is that 0.75, right? There is a formula. I said you right, guys. There is a formula for that. How it is going to increase that size of that array list. So internally, it is going to follow into that word, guys. There is a arrays is that word, guys. Dynamic array is that internal data structure, right? So what it is happened, there is a what formula is there. This is that formula, guys. Okay, this is that formula. New capacity equal to initial capacity. Initial capacity. What is the initial capacity of that arrays, guys? What is the initial
10,
capacity
sir.
of the 10,
10.
right?
10, sir.
Yeah. So how it is going to calculated? You people can check here, guys. This is that if I want to create after completing. See, guys, I'm going to showing to that what how it is going to fill out to that 70 after completion of that 75%. I will show you. You people can check here, guys, that initial capacity of that released is that what 10, and it can be once it is reaching out to that word, guys, 75 percentage, then it will be increase the size of that arrays, guys. How it is going to increase? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, and how it is going to increase that array size, I will show you. See here, guys, this is that it can be stored that this is that continuous memory location, guys, right? So continuous memory locations, and it can be stored that data based on what, guys? Index position only, right? So it can be stored based on that index position. So how many memory it will be created, guys, for that internally of that array list?
10, sir.
10, right? So like
Yes.
that it can be created as a memory, guys. And what one it is once it is filled out as a what 75%, then what, guys, it can be uh, increase that array size, guys. How it is going to increase, you people can check here, guys. There is a formula, guys, that once it is reach out, that based on that value can be stored based on that index position, right, guys? So how it when it is going to reaching out, storing based on that index position, once it is filled out to that 75%, then that memory size, how it is going to calculate means there is a formula is there, guys. That is new capacity is equal to what, guys? Initial capacity, right? Initial capacity of array, right? So that what is the initial capacity of that array? Initial capacity is that means what, guys? 10,
Yeah.
right? So that
10,
10 10 into 10 into what, guys? 3 by 2. 3 by 2 plus 1, guys. 3 by 2 plus 1. So how it is going to becoming that value, people can tell me, guys? It can be what? New capacity will become what, guys? 60. 16 it will become, guys. How it is going to calculate means 30, 10 into 30, 10 into 3, how much, guys? 30. 30 by 2 plus 1 means it will become as a what, guys? 13 by 2 means 15 it will become. Yes or no, guys?
16, yeah.
Yeah, then it will become as a 16 is that in capacity, it will be increased. Then what happened, guys? This is the size will be increased like that, guys. 16 16 back memory will be created internally again. Guys, getting or not? It is that already existed. It will be created. 16 memory will be created, and that existing object will be storing inside that in new memory. And what, guys? That size will be increased like that only. Guys, getting or not? It is
No, sir.
no.
No.
First of all, formula understood.
Yes, sir.
How it is come 16.
Yes, sir. Understand. It is
Then what is the size of that new capacity now?
16.
Then 16 memory will be created, right? So this is the
Yes.
data is there, right, guys? This is the data. See, this is that already that initial capacity is that 10, right? So this data will be stored inside that, guys. This is that new memory, right? New object.
Yes, sir.
So in that this data will be stored inside that in new RL list, guys. So internally again when it is become as a 65 75%, like that it will be same formula, it will be applied, guys, every time.
Yes, sir.
Getting or not? So that there is a 16.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, next onwards how it is going to becoming that initial capacity, tell me, guys. There is a initial capacity, what, 16, it will become 16 into what, guys? There is a what, 3 by 2. 3 by 2 it will be there, guys, and plus 1. That formula will be applied like this, guys, right? And it once
sir.
it is when it is fill out to that 75 percentage, then that formula will be internally work like that only, guys, getting or not now?
Yes, sir.
Getting, remaining,
Yes.
getting, right, guys? So internally that RLST will be work like that only, guys. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so guys, I will show you to that all the how it is going to there is a hash map concept also, it will become, guys. At that moment I will show you how it is going to what increase that array size. I will show you one more time, no need to worry. Okay, so once it is that concept is completed, I
Yes,
will
sir.
show you. Yeah, so this is that array list, it will be work like this only, guys. Okay. Okay. So guys, can we go to that linked list concept now?
Yes, sir.
Linked list,
Linked asset, sir.
linked has set, right? Same as like, guys, how it is working to that array list, sorry, has set. Same as like, what are the limitation is there, guys? Tell me in has set. If people can tell me, guys, what are the limitation of that has set?
Sir, 16 is,
Okay, what is 16?
sir, limit is 16, sir.
Limitation. Yeah.
Default capacity.
Okay,
The-
okay. Okay, guys. So that has set, you people can see here, guys. There is a already has set is completed. Linked has set. You people can check here, guys. This is that linked has set. So that linked has set class extend from that where, guys, has set class, right? And that basics data structure is a combination of a linked list and hash table, guys. That linked has set a what, linked has set a internal data structure, it is going to following two, guys, linked has set and hash table, right? So insertion order is preserved, here is that insertion order is preserved, and duplicate are not allowed, guys. Duplicate are not allowed, and linked asset is what, guys? Non-synchronized, right, guys? And linked asset is that same as asset, except that above two difference are present, guys. See, guys, what is the difference between asset and linked asset? You people aware or not, guys? Go to that asset. There is a, if we that asset also what, guys? Child in implementation class of that set interface, and has set is not able to allow to the duplicate, and has set is not what, guys? Order is not preserved, and has set duplicate not allowed, and has set what, guys? Not synchronized, and what, guys? Asset can be allowed to that what, null values. Coming to that linked asset, guys, you people can check here. There is a insertion order is preserved, but asset is insertion order is not preserved, and duplicate are not allowed inside that what, guys? Linked asset, and linked asset is a non-synchronized, guys. This is the difference, guys. Compare with what is the difference between now asset and linked asset? You people can tell me, guys, when we can go for that asset, and when we can go for that linked asset.
Sir, when insertion order is maintained inside the linked asset, sir, then we can go through this.
Yes.
And duplicate is not allowed, sir, in linked asset. There is also not allowed, sir.
Yes.
But the main reason is when we want to insert order is maintained, that time we can go through this linked asset.
Yeah, and there is a one more different is there,
And
guys.
one more, and only one null insertion is possible inside the linked asset, sir.
Only
Comparing
one,
there.
only one Allah.
Null insertion. A number of null value we can insert.
Yes. Can be store
N
n number of value in null values, it can be store, guys. But if n number of n values is not allowed, only one null. Why? Because duplicate it is allowed, guys.
No, sir.
No,
That's
right?
right.
Then only one null it will become, right? Yeah. So, guys, this is that what, guys? Has a linked asset. So how I'm going to using to that linked asset? How I'm going to using to that what, guys? Asset class. How I'm going to create it? Same as like linked asset object. Also we can create a like this, guys, right? So, and we can add it. We can use to that reusability of that methods. Which one is available in a collection interface, guys? So collection interface. How many methods is there, guys? Collection interface. How many methods is there?
12 methods, sir.
12 method. The
12
12 method will be
12
applicable
methods.
for here, and there is a get and get method, set method is there, right, guys? That get method, set method we are not able to use, right? So, guys, what should I to do? I will go through that, guys. Very simple it is that coming to that collection framework. Collection framework. What we have to know, we should be required. What is that? What is the purpose of that collection implementation classes, and what are the underlying data structure it is going to follow, and what are the order it is going to follow, and what are the initial capacities having to that what, guys? Implementation classes, and what, guys? And what are the how many null value it can be allowed, so how many duplicate value it can be allowed. So if we want to go, if we want to store that as a duplicate value, then which collection I need to select? I don't want to allow to the duplicate value, then which collection we need to select, right, guys? And even though there is a, I don't want to allow to that duplicate, but I need to that what, guys? Order is preserved related requirement. I need to go at that moment. Which collection classes we need to take? Yeah. So that thing you should be aware, guys. That's all here. That collection framework is that very, very, very simple. But when you are going to what, guys? Go through that difference at that moment, it is easy because of in interview perspective also they will ask this kind of questions only, guys. When we can go for that linked list, when we can go for that asset, what is the difference between asset and linked asset, right? So that asset already it is not able to allow to the duplicate value. Why should go to that linked asset? This is the difference should be they will ask, guys, right? So that creating that object is that very simple, and adding that element is that very simple. Removing that element, you people already know how we can add that element, how we can delete that element, each and everything that operation you already done that. But so that theory part you should be remember here, guys. You should be remember, guys. 1 minute. Hello. Yeah, good morning. Yeah, guys. So we can go through that word, guys, with practical. Really it is order is preserved. We can compare with that hash set and linked hash set, guys. It is really not follow to that order, and how it is going to and it is a duplicate is really not allowed to the multiple null. Can we check, guys, that thing with practically?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So guys, we can go through that practical, then it will be good, guys. It is your we already created a array list as, yeah, yeah. Hey guys, I'm going to create into the linked list object, guys. Linked list classes, linked list example. Linked list already is there. Linked list or linked asset, right?
Sir, we can use override constructor inside the collection, sir.
Sorry,
Overloaded constructor, sir.
overloaded constructor for
Yes, sir. We can use or not.
what collections?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, is there already I shown you that, right, guys? There is a capacity. How many ways we can create in that asset. There is a three ways raised there, right, guys? There is a zero when we are going to create into the asset object. So it will be created that initial capacity it will be created. And when we are going to using to that there is a capacity we can pass into that word, guys. How many that capacity we are going to give in inside that constructor only, right, guys? I already given in website also. You people can go through that, guys. Okay. Linked asset. Linked asset is that it is also available in which package, guys? Java data util package. Linked asset equal to new asset. So how we can add that element here, guys? By using that reference variable of, there is a dot add method. Add method what? I'm going to adding that what value, guys. Now first I'm going to adding as a what string related data I'm going to adding here, guys. String related data I'm going to add it here. And here is that null allowed or not, guys?
Null allowed for only one.
Only one.
One null, sir.
Can we check that? See here, guys, I'm going to printing that word, guys, as set object. So that is linked has set is that my reference variable of that linked has set class. I'm going to printing that element, guys. See here, guys, only one null it is applicable, right? So A, B, C, D. See, guys, I said you guys what has set is that you people has set is that order is preserved, guys. Order is followed. Has set
Has-
set
Asset no, sir.
Asset is that order is not followed, but come into that linked asset is that there is a order is followed, guys. See, guys, there is a first of all I'm adding that element as a null. Next is that A, B, C, D. That order also coming, that output also coming as what, guys? Null A, B, C, D. Which order we are going to insert that element, same order it will be print, guys. Right? That order is followed to that linked asset. Right, guys? And there is
Yes, sir.
this is the way we can create in that has set linked has set and that what, guys, different also you people observed here, right? So here also is what, guys, that what is that internal data structure it will be followed, guys? What is the internal data structure followed to that double linked list and hash table? Right, guys? There is a two data structure. It is followed to that linked hash set implementation class. Right, guys? And there is a one more
Array list or linked list, sir?
array list. Array
Yes,
list is that arrays. That data structure is that arrays, guys. And coming to that, sorry,
linked asset which data structure, sir? We use
double linked list.
only, sir.
Double linked list as well as what, guys? Hash table. Linked list and linked list and hash table, guys. Double linked list is that what, guys? Linked list it will be followed, right? So linked list and hash table it will be followed to that linked hash set implementation class, guys. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Guys, yeah, there is a one more interview questions is there, guys. So that interview question, how those people will be asked, you people can check here, guys. Yeah, I will show you to that interview prospective questions. So where is that my, yeah, you people can check here, guys. Where is my employee data? This is that my employee data, guys. Okay, this is my employee data, right? So what should I to do? And there is a test class. Yeah, this is that my test class, guys. So what should guys? You people can check here how we can adding that element. This is the way we can add, right, guys? This is the way we can adding that element for that array list object. How we can add? There is a two ways, right, guys? Adding to that arrays dot as list method is there. I said you, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, list of employees data I need to add, guys. This is that I'm going to defining what here. There is a employee class is there and if for that employee class I need to add that element, guys. I need to add that values. Where I'm going to add it, I'm going to creating to that one class, my test class. I'm going to create it inside that. See, you people can check here, guys. I'm using to that list is that interface, and I'm going to using what, guys? Type safety. It is a type safety, right, guys? Generic I'm going to following here. And what, guys, here there is a emp is that reference variable, and arrays that has list, guys. Arrays is that what, guys? Utility class. It is going to converting into that what? Arrays dot as list. It is going to convert it as a list class. List, guys. How I am going to convert it? This is the way we can convert, guys. So you people can check here, guys, how many employee data I need to add here. I'm going to add it almost 4 data I am added, right, guys? Guys, getting or not? It is.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
See here, guys. I'm going to what I'm going to doing here. I'm going to printing what, guys? I'm going to printing that employee data here. You people can check. You people can check here, guys. What is that output? It will become. There is a output. Will become what, guys? This is the way it will become, right, guys? This is that array it is going to follow, right?
Yes.
So, guys, there is a interview question what they will ask. First of all, you can create that only employee object, guys. You people, you can creating that only employee object. How you are going to creating that employee object? They will ask. So, what should I to do here, guys? I need to creating that employee object. This is the way we can create, guys. As a individually, that employee object how we can create. This is the way we can create, guys. Employee, employee, em employee equal to, this is the way we can create, right?
There's some disturbance
Yes.
coming here.
From my side,
Two one meeting. Should on.
from my side you are getting disturbance or
Not fine, sir.
sorry,
Other side, sir.
other
Not
side.
fine.
Yeah, you people can check, guys, where you are getting the disturbance, right? Who are going to get in the disturbance, please keep your mic as a what, guys? Mute, right? See here, guys, this is that my employee object, guys. This is that my employee object. So what should I to do here? I need to make, this is that format, guys. A 1 minute for that. I'm going to making as a format, right? This is the way I'm going to converting as a. I'm going to creating object like this, guys. So what should I to do here, guys? There is a one more object I need to create. There is a one more object I need to create, and that reference variable is that different, guys. My reference variable is that different, right? So, guys, those people asked that interview question, they how they will ask you people to know. First of all, this is that employee object, right? How we are going to converting into that employee object to where, guys? In set. How you people can create, guys? How you can going to convert into that employee to as set, guys? Tell me what should I to do here?
We create hash type object, sir.
As set object I need to
And
create.
in generic, we have to put employee.
As set HS equal to new asset, right, guys?
Yes.
This is the way we can creating what, guys? Object, right? This is the asset. So how I'm going to convert it? HS dot HS dot what are the method is available is there, guys? If I want to add to that employee object, add method is there. So what is that my reference variable for that employee? Employee one and employee and employee one. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you people can check here, guys. There is a my data is that different here. My data is that different, and here is that stream is that what, guys? Data and 20,000 is that salary. You people can check. Yeah. So and there is a This is the way we can adding that element hs dot add of what guys, employee, right? So I'm adding to that employee data. Now tell me guys, I need to identify that what guys, has set object. So what is the size of that has set now guys? Now tell me how many data is available, what is the size it will become, how many
Two
object is
data.
there? Two data. Yes or no guys? Then you people can tell
Yes.
me, guys, that duplicate object it will be allowed. You people can tell me guys, I'm going to adding printing that hs data here. hs data I'm going to printing. So what is that value it will become guys? There is a what guys, 10 employee id 102 102. This is that value it's came guys. Yes or no? Yeah, because of I'm going to adding only one object. Huh? Yeah, if people can check. See here guys, there is a two data it is added, right? But you people can tell me guys, you people can tell me first of all that array list object has set object can be stored that duplicate object.
No, sir.
No, right? You people can check
No,
here guys. I'm going to adding to that same data. Same data I'm going to adding here. You people can check guys. What is the that object it will be going to print? Tell me. Two object means it is what guys? 102 means it is duplicate data or not guys? I need to
yes,
identify
sir.
that what is the size of this object guys. hs dot size, there is a size is that method is there guys, right? So how many object it is going to is there, then it will be printed guys, that size also. You people can check here, there is a size is that 2, but that has set is that duplicate allowed guys,
No, sir.
but it is going to allow in here, right?
Yes.
Right guys, this is that interview question. Then what should I to do? I don't want to allow to that duplicate. What should I to do guys? Think yourself and tell me anything. You people to know as set is that not allowed to that duplicate value, but this is the duplicate or see, you people can check here guys, my data is same or not here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sir, but reference value is different. Employee and employee one.
employee and employee one is that object is different, huh?
The object is different. Yeah.
Then value,
Value is same.
yeah. See guys, how you people
But
can,
different object has different same values. So it may be possible.
it can't be possible, huh?
It may be possible, sir.
Okay. So guys, I need to print a what guys? Only one object. What should I to do? We can go to that where guys. This is that every object having to that their own hash code, right guys? Every object. Yes or no guys?
Yes, sir.
So what should I to do? What should I to do? This is there is a employee is that one object and employee one is that one object. Then it will be printing to that what guys? Their what hash code for that every object. But that value you people can check here guys. How we can adding that element inside that hash set guys. There is a add method is there, and we can adding that element like that. This is the way we can adding that element. Yes or no guys? This is the way we can
Yes,
adding that
sir.
element. You people can check here guys, I'm going to printing one more object, two object I'm going to printing here, adding but with that same data guys, same data, right? And what should I to do here? Yes, yes, right. And dot out dot println on default. right? So what should I to do here, guys? You people can check. Now what is the output it will become, guys? Here, what is the output it will become? Only one, only one A will be print. Only one A will be print. There is a combination problem. Combination problem is nothing but yeah. You should be comment 1 minute for this, guys. If people can comment here, or else remove it. Yes, yes. We are going to missing to that one, guys. See here, guys. There is a output came as a one only, and I need to identify that size also, guys. I need to identify that size here. You people can check here, guys. You people can check. I'm going to printing that out. What, guys? Size of that first two element. You people can check here, guys. Only size is that one only, right? There is a size is that one only, but you people can check here, guys. You people can check here is the size is 3. Size is 3 is nothing but it is going to converting as a, this is that one, right, guys? This is comes under as a one. That is the reason it is going to adding one more. That is the reason it is going to printing. But when I'm going to removing to this, guys, I'm going to adding to the this data only. I'm going to adding this data only, but size is that now come as a 2, but duplicate data is not allowed here, right? So but my duplicate data also printing, guys. See, there is a size is that 2. How we can avoid this, guys? I want only one. My size is that my array asset is that what, guys? Duplicate not allowed that data. What should I to do? Very simple, guys. Go and override what, guys? There is a what, guys? We need to override hash code, guys. Hash code. There is a hash code method is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. There is a constructor using a no constructor hash code. There is a people can check here, guys. There is a hash code method is there, and I need to require after address. This field I need to require after address. Then it will be getting what, guys? Hash code. It is going to overridden and go to that my test class. If people can just what, guys, refresh it and run that application. See here, guys. This is that interview question, guys. Very, 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 very important. Right? They will ask, they will give that example like this only, guys. Same object they will give, and what is the size is? Can you tell me? They will ask like that. Then you people can thinking, what, guys? Yeah, adding to that element and printing to that asset. Then how many object is there? Two objects. Then we can say as a two. Yeah, that as per programmatically it is correct. But that what, guys, asset, what is that limitations is there? Asset is that not allowed to the duplicate, right, guys? First of all,
Yes, sir.
then it is allowed. What should I to do? They will ask like that questions. Clear or not? It is, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the way we can what, guys, resolve these issues. Linked list example. So guys, linked list also we can use into this, guys. And what are the methods is there inside that linked asset? You people can go through this, guys. Very guys, this is that also very simple. How we are going to use into that set uh, asset implementation class, same as like you people can check what, guys, linked asset. But if you want to require to that order, then you can go here, guys. And there is a one more different is there that data set it is going to fall into that linked list and hash table, right? This is that two different guys compared with that what hash set and linked hash set, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, guys, can we go through that tree set or tomorrow? Can we can go, guys?
Yes, sir.
Can we go now? Can we discuss now, guys?
Yes.
Remaining guys, can we discuss now or tomorrow? Okay. Yeah. So guys, there is a one more implementation class. What guys? What is the one more implementation class of that? What has set interface? Tell me, guys. What are the implementation class of the implementation class of set interface? That's all. Reset. Yeah, there is a
Set linked.
yeah, there is a one more implementation class is there, guys. That is tree set, but tree set is not direct implementation class of what, guys? Is not directly implementation class of that trees what guys set interface. There is a one more interface it will become, that is sorted set. Sorted set is a interface, and that sorted set is a what, guys? Child interface of set interface, right? So that sorted set also having to that implementation class, that is tree set, guys, right? You people already know that what, guys? Hierarchy of that hierarchy of what, guys? Collection framework, right, guys? So there is a this is that set interface, guys. I will discuss. Yeah, it will be there is a collection is that collection what, guys? Collection is that interface, and it can be divided into three types. What are the three types of interface inside that what, guys? Collection interface, tell me. That is set interface, queue interface, and set interface, guys, right? So we already completed what, guys? List interface implementation class, guys. We already completed. And we what, guys, inside that set interface also there is a three implementation class is there, guys. That is what? First one is that hash set. First one is that hash set, and second one what, guys? There is a second one is that linked hash set is there. Hash set and linked hash set, right? So the what, guys, there is a one more implementation class is there, that is not direct part of that set interface. There is a one more child interface it will be there, guys. That is what, that interface name what, guys? Sorted set, right? There is a one more interface is there, that is sorted set. And that sorted set what, guys? There is a one more implementation class is there, that is tree set. Guys, getting or not? It is that diagram, that hierarchy, you people very strong in that, right?
Yes.
Right, guys. So you people can check here, guys. You people can check here. uh, there is a implementation class of that set interface and sorted set interface. Sorted set interface is there. Sorted set interface, there is a tree set is there, guys, right? There is a tree set. But what are the advantages is there inside that hash set? And when we can go for that hash set, and when we can go for that linked hash set, you people very clear in that area, right, guys? So coming to that tree set, and first of all, before go to that tree set, we can read to that word, guys. Sorted set. What is sorted set, and what are the implementation class of that sorted set? We can go through that, guys. You people can read it, guys. Sorted set implementation child interface of that word, guys. Set interface, right? And if we want to insert unique element where duplicate are not allowed, and what, guys? All element should be what, guys? inserted according to that same sorting order, guys, then we should go for that what, guys, sorted set interface. And sorting that order can be either default sorting order, guys. Why we are going to go for that word, guys, sorted set is a one of the child interface of that set interface. And what are the values we are going to storing that where, guys, if I inside that tree set, that order should be which order we are going to, we can store that element in any order. But that what, guys, that element should be come output as a word, guys, in ascending order. Which order it will become, guys?
Ascending order.
Sorted order it will be sorting that element, and it will become, guys, because of there is a two more word, guys, two more interface is there. There is a comparable and comparator is there, guys. That comparable and comparator having to that word, guys, there is a two methods is there, guys, right? Two methods is there, compare two method and compare method is there. So how it is going to working with that, I will explain when I am going to explain what, guys, comparable and comparator interface, right? So before that word, guys, there is a tree set is that object implementation class of that sorted set. So that sorted set tree set, what is that limitations is there, guys? You people can read it. Java tree set class implements the set interface that uses a tree set structure to store that element, right, guys? It contains what, guys? Unique element. Unique element means it duplicate allowed or not allowed, guys?
Yes, sir.
Duplicate not allowed. Unique element is nothing but duplicate not allowed. And that third point you people can read it, guys. The tree set class and retrieval time array very fast, guys. If I want to retrieve the data from that tree set, then the tree set is that very helpful for us, guys. And it does not allow null element, guys. You people can read it, guys. What is that what is the tree set it is there, guys? Tree set is a implementation from what, guys? Indirect of that set interface. And it contains unique element. Tree set classes access and retrieval time array are very fast. And it does not allow to that null value, guys. Null value allow inside that where, guys, uh linked hash set and hash set, it is allowed or not? Allowed or not, guys, there?
Yes, sir, allowed.
Yeah,
Allowed.
there is a linked hash set can be allowed to the duplicate and null. Sorry, not allowed to the duplicate. Null will be allowed at only one time. And set hash set also allowed to that only one null, guys. Because of that duplicate is not allowed. That is the reason. Now you people can read this, guys. This point. It maintain what order it is going to follow, guys. What order it is going to follow? Ascending order it is going to follow, guys. You can give that any order, then that order should be followed to that ascending only, right, guys? So, and there is a, what is the tree set initial capacity is there, guys? What is the tree set initial capacity?
There is no capacity, sir.
There is no capacity of that tree set, guys. There is a what initial capacity is that 0, right? Initial capacity what, guys? Tree set initial capacity is that 0. And what, guys, we can call as a tree set as a balanced tree we can call, and red block tree we can call, guys. It we can call as a red block tree or balanced tree we can call, guys. Internal data structure we is using to that red block tree, guys, right? So, guys, you people can check here, guys, what is that limitations is there, it is really following or not, can we check how it is going to give in that what, guys, assigning order that data, and what is that internally it is happened, So we can what guys? I'm going to give into that what one POCs and how that functionality it is working internally. I will discuss regarding that tomorrow, guys. Guys, getting or
Yes,
not?
sir.
It is right. So what should I to do
Yes,
here,
sir.
guys? You people can check here. I'm going to what guys? Given one example here, guys. How it is going to follow into that order. Preset example main. Guys, there is a red block tree structure. It will be followed, guys. That tree set, right? How it is going to follow that each and everything. I will draw that diagram and I will show you tomorrow. But what it's happened internally, I will show that part is that tomorrow, guys. Right? Just I'm going to give in that example here. Right? Tree set uh, set equal to new tree set. This is the way we can create in that tree set object, guys. And I'm going to add in that element, guys. Yeah, one more. There is a different is there, guys. Preset element, preset object can be storing homogeneous data or heterogeneous data, guys. This is that important.
What do you say?
Homogeneous data it can be stored here. You people can check here, guys. I'm going to adding to that element as a what string data. I'm going to storing here. B C D E, right? So if people can check here, guys, I'm going to printing that data. No. See here, guys, that order is that it will become what are the order I'm going to print it, store it. But I'm going to storing that element as a zigzag order, guys. I'm going to adding to that Z element, and here is that word, guys. Yes, here is that P. You people can check here, guys. Order is I'm going to not able to add into that element as a what guys insertion order. I'm not able to follow, but that it will be printing in what guys assigning order. You people can check here, guys. Preset is that my reference variable, and see here, guys, there is a element what guys. First I'm going to add it A Z P S E, but that order what order it is came, guys.
Yes, sir. Ascending to descending order.
Ascending order it is going to add it or descending order,
Ascending order, sir.
ascending order, right? Guys, regarding this how it is going to internally, how we can call as a red block tree. There is a red block tree is that a data structure it is going to follow, and how it is going to comparing that element what internal function, guys. I'm going to storing to that it is what guys, one more thing I need to show here. I need to show that what guys, is it storing to that what heterogeneous object.
No, sir.
No.
This should take only homogeneous data, sir.
Homogeneous data it can be stored, guys. But See here, guys. Java.lang.string cannot be cast to class Java lang integer. Right, guys? That Java.lang.string and Java.lang.integer are in a module Java base of loader. There is some exception it is getting, guys. Right? So when guys, why it is going to getting this kind of issues, why it is not able to storing that what guys heterogeneous data, so that we can discuss tomorrow, guys. Okay.
Sir,
There
this
is
is only class cost exception, right, sir?
sorry.
Class cost exception, sir.
Yes, because there is a string is that one class and integer is that one class, right, guys? So it is not able to storing internally what guys string data, integer data inside that string. That is that issues it will become. What happened internally, I will show you tomorrow. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Do you have any questions in that? But there is a lot of question. It will become guys really in preset. But what are that questions? How it is going to compare it? How it is going to what guys using internally each and everything? I will let you tomorrow. Right? So you people can practice and you what are the differences there? You should be read it, guys. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much. We will see tomorrow. Remaining of that internal flow of that reset. Then you people can get knowledge.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.